Good day everyone. Welcome to Masscom Tutorial Class Session 1. Today we will discuss journalism and its elements. Journalism is the activity of gathering, assessing, creating, and presenting news and information. It is also the product of these activities. Journalism also is the collection and editing of news for presentation through media. Here are the elements of journalism. First one is its first obligation is to the truth. Its loyalty is to citizens. Its essence is a discipline of verification. Its practitioners must maintain an independence from those they cover. It must serve as an independent power. It must provide a forum for public criticism and compromise. It must strive to keep the significant, interesting, and relevant. It must keep the news comprehensive and proportional. Its practitioners must be allowed to exercise their personal conscience. And last, citizens to have rights and responsibilities when it comes to the news. Thank you for listening.